Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the problems on division. Here it is a 6-digit number. Here we are doing division, a 6-digit number by a 2-digit number. A 6-digit number by a 2-digit number. Divide and check your answers. What is the rule here for checking? Q for quotient. Quotient into divisor plus R for remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Quotient into divisor plus R. R for remainder is equal to dividend. Here first problem. 4,52,403 divided by 33. 4,52,403 divided by 33. So we have to do division with 33. Division with 33. Now we have to check with table. 33 ones, 33 you know, 33 twos 66, 33 threes 39 you know. Next 33 fours 132, 33 fives 165, 33 sixes 198, 33 sevens 231, 33 eights 264, 33 nines 297, 33 tens 330. Here first number 4. Here 4 is less than the divisor. 4 is less than the divisor. So we have to take next number also. Now these two are we have to take as dividend. Now 45. So this 45 is less than 33 no or more than 33? Yes, this 45 is more than 33. So we can do the division here. Here 45, 33 table 45 where it will come? 31, 33 ones 33, 33 to 66 it is. But 66 is more than 45. So we have to take 33 ones 33. 33 ones 33. Minus 5 minus 3 2. 4 minus 3 1. Next here 122. Okay. Now 122. 33 fours are 132. 33 threes are 99. But this 132 is more than 122 no. So 33 fours are is more than 122 here. So that before what is that? 33 threes are 99. So 33 threes 99. Do the subtraction. Here it is 12. Here it is 1. 12 minus 9 3. Here from here to here borrow. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9 2 0. Next we have to take this 4. 234. Here already we write the tables here. More than 234 where it will be 264. 33 eights are 264 is more than 234. So that before what is here? 33 sevens are. 33 sevens are 231. We have to take 33 sevens. 231. 4 minus 1 3. 3 minus 3 0. Here 0. Next we have to take 0. Here it is 30. Here it is 33. But it is not possible 30. So 33 zeros. 0. Minus 0. Here 3. Next we have to take 303. 33 tens are 330. Then we have to take 33 nines are 297 no? Yes, 33 nines are 297. 13. Here we have take from here to here it is 10. Here 2, here 10. Again from here to here giving. So here 9, here 13. 13 minus 7 6. 9 minus 9 0 0. So in this it is quotient, it is remainder, it is divisor. divisor. Now we have to do check for this. What is the check for this? What is check for this problem? Quotient into divisor. Here quotient is 13,709 into, what is the divisor? 33 plus remainder 6. So when we multiply this one, how much we will get? 4,52,397 plus 6. When we multiply this one, these two, we will get this one now. Now 4,52,397 plus 6. 4,52,406. It is dividend. It is dividend. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 13,709. Remainder is equal to 6. Next one is 2,34,587 divided by 45. So we have to do division with 45. 2,34,587. So here we have tried 45 table. 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90. So 45 threes too we can write here. 45 threes are 135. 45 fours are 180. 45 fives are 225. 45 sixes are 270. 45 sevens are 315. 45 eights are 360. 45 nines are 405. Okay, 400. Now first number here 2. If we take 2, this 2 is less than the divisor. So we have to take two numbers, 23. But 23 also less than divisor, 45. Next we have to take 3 digits, 234. This 234 is more than 45. So we can start division. But in this table, more than 234, where it will be? 45 6 are 270. 45 6 are 270 is more than 234. So we can't take this 45 6 are. We have to take that before. 45 5s are 225. 45 5s are 225. Here it is 14. Here it is 2. 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. Here it is 0. Next we have to take 95. Okay, 45. 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are 90. 45 threes are 135. But this 135 is more than this 95. So what is the before that one? 45 twos. 45 twos how much? 45 twos are 90. Next we have to take 5. 9 minus 9, 0. Next take this 8. 58. 45 table, 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are 90. So we have to take 45 ones. 45 ones are 45. 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. Next take this 7 here. 137. So which number we can write? More than 137? 180. So we have to take 45 fours are 180. 180 is more than 137. So we have to take 45 threes. 45 threes are 135. 7 minus 5, 2, 0, 0. So in this it is quotient. It is divisor. It is divisor. It is remainder. Here what is the check for this? Quotient into divisor. Quotient 5213 into divisor 45 plus remainder 2. So when we multiply this one to this number, we will get 2,34,585 plus 2 remainder. When we multiply these two, we will get this one. Remainder 2, add this for 2. 2,34,587. So it is dividend. It is dividend. Now what is the quotient here? How much we get quotient? 5,213 is the quotient. Remainder is equal to 2. Next one is, it is the division of a 6-digit number by a 3-digit number. A 6-digit number by a 3-digit number. Same before, like 412, 2,54,326. So we have tried the side table. 412's 1, 412's, 412 2's are 2 2's are 4, 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2, 2 4's are 8. 412's 3's are 412's 4's are 1648. 412's 5's are 412 6 are 412 7s are 412 8s are 412 9s are 3708. 3007. Now first number 2, it is not possible. Next we have take 25. 25 also less than 412. Next 254. This 254 also less than 412. So we have take these 4 numbers 2543. So this 2543 is less than 412. 2543 is less than 412. So 2543 less than number, more than number, where it will be? Yes, 2884. 412 sevens are 2884 is more than 2543 in this table. So before one we have to, that means 412 6 are 2472. We have to take that number 2472 minus 3 minus 2 1. We have to take borrow, it is 14, here 14 minus 7 7 0 0. Next we have to take 2 712. 412 2s are 824. This 824 is more than 712 no? So we have to take 412 ones are 412 0 0 3. Next we have to take 6 here. 3006. More than this 3006. What is the big number here? 3296. Where it will come? 412 8 sir. 3296 is greater than 3006. So we have to take less than this number. In this table, what is the less than? 412 7 sir. So we have to take 2884. So do the subtraction. 6 minus 4 2. We have to take the borrow from here to here, it is 2. Here to here it is 10. Again here to here it becomes 9. Here it is 10. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 8 1. Here 0. So this 122 is the remainder. 61 is the quotient. 412 is divisor. So what is the check for this? Same. What is the check? Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor. What is the quotient here? Yes, 412. 22,54,204 plus 122. Remainder 120. So we have that. Now 2,54,326. It is dividend. It is dividend. So what is the quotient here? What is the quotient here? So 617. Quotient is equal to 617. Remainder is equal to 122. Next one. 10,57,432. It is the division of what? It is what digit number? It is a 7-digit number. If this 7-digit number is dividing by a 3-digit number. 7-digit number dividing by a 3-digit number. So we have to do division here with 125. So 10,57,432. 125 ones are 125. 125 twos are 250. 125 threes are how much? 125 threes are 375. 125 fours are 400. Sorry, 500. 125 fours are 500. 125 fives are 625. 125 sevens are 125 six are 800. 125 125 six are 750. 125 sevens are 875. 125 eights are 1000. 125 nines are 1125. So here first number 1. This one is less than 125. So next number 10. 10 also less than 125. Next 105. This 105 also less than 125. So 1057. 4 digits we have to take here. So it is more than 125. So 1057 more than where it will be? Yes, it is 1125 is more than 1057. It is 125 9. So we have to take before table. 125 8s are 1000 minus 7. Here 5. Here 0 0. Next we have to take 4. 574. More than 574 where it will be? Yes, 125 5s are 625. It is more than 574. So we have to take 125 4s are. 125 4s are 500. 4 7 0. Next we have to take this 3. 743. More than this 743 where it will be? 750. That is 125 6 are 750 is more than this 743. So we can't take that number. That before table what? 125 5s 625. 125 5s are 625. 30. Here 3. 13 minus 5 8. 3 minus 2 1. Here 1. Next here it is 2. 1182. That is 125 tens are 1250 no ma. 125 tens are 1250. So this 1250 is more than 1182. So we have to take 125 nines are 125 nines are 1125. Now do the subtraction. Here it is 12. Here it is 7. 12 minus 5 7. 7 minus 2 5. 1 minus 1 0 0. So here it is remainder is 7. It is remainder. It is quotient. It is divisor. So what is the check here? Same. For every problem, same check. Quotient into divisor. Quotient how much here? 8459 into divisor 125 plus remainder 57. These two we will get 8459 into 125 10,57,375 plus 57 plus 57. When we add these two, 10,57,432. It is dividend. It is dividend. So here what is quotient? Quotient is equal to 8,459. Remainder is equal to 57.